Now, I want to tell you again that we are now back in the street. You can hear at the background, you can see the people. You can hear the people. The church is there, remember, outside the city. Because the church is for the people. The Crusaders had more churches for themselves, but this is for the public. Then let's go in the street, and I want to show you graffiti from the 12th and the 13th century, which today it's history, but you know, if graffiti today is kind of a pollution. But let me show you that pollution can be later on something important, historical. Beneath us is the street, very close. When we'll be outside the mosque, it's actually above us. You will see it in about a few minutes.